I have the bed of a Chevy Silverado here. Everything fits good, my gaps look good.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
I have the bed of a Chevy Silverado here. It's gonna be kind of hard to see because it's white, but it got hit in the bumper and it pushed all of this in and caused a massive buckle throughout this area. And it's also all bubbling from rust as well. It's not in very good shape. So it's going to go ahead and get a new bedside, and I'll find out what I have underneath there once I get it cut off. So I'm gonna start cutting. So I have this bedside fit up. Now I have to fit up the tailgate. However, I gotta repair this corner of it that's bent way out. So I'm gonna straighten that out, and then I will fit that in the taillight and get a final fitment on everything. So I have this one all fit together. My bedside, taillight, tailgate, everything fits good. My gaps look good. So I'm going to go ahead and take my taillight back out and lift this bedside back off and get it ready to put on permanently. So this one had some bad rust throughout the wheelhouse, as well as this corner right here. Now the insurance company isn't gonna pay for damage due to rust, so we called the customer and talked to them about it. Being an older truck, they didn't want to mess with any of it, so I'm actually just gonna bond this throughout this area with panel bond. That will be the best way to attach it, because if I try to weld it, it's just gonna blow apart. So I'm gonna bond the wheelhouse, and I'm also going to bond the center part of the top of the bed. GM actually does have a bonding procedure for these bedsides.